Let's do a problem. So here we have to form equations for the situations given, and we have to identify if the equations formed are linear equations in two variables or not. First one is equation between area of circle and its radius. Second one is between the perimeter of a square and its side. And third one is between the speed of a vehicle and the time taken to travel a fixed distance. In the third case here, car is traveling from one point to another and the distance is fixed. And we are considering the speed of the vehicle and time taken. Now, if the distance is fixed, if speed increases, the time will decrease, and if speed decreases, the time will increase. We have to find the relation between these two and check whether the relation is linear or not. Let's discuss the approach for doing this question. So here we will write the formulas for all the three situations and then see whether these formulas can be expressed in the general form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. With this approach, let's complete the solution. Let's take part 1 first. For the circle, if this is the center, then let us suppose this is the radius, and the shaded region here is the area of the circle. So let's call area here as A and radius as R. And we know that formula for area of a circle is area is equal to pi r square. Here variables are A and R. Let's try to express this in general form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here this will be A bringing pi r square to the other side minus pi r square is equal to 0. Now this equation cannot be a linear equation because degree of this equation here is 2. So in the first part we do not obtain a linear equation. Let's take part 2. In part 2, we have to form a relation between perimeter of a square and its side. So this is the side. Let the side be S, and the perimeter will be the sum of all the four sides. So let us represent the perimeter by P. So we are representing perimeter by P and side by S, and the formula for perimeter is 4S. Let's try to express this in the general form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this will become P minus 4S is equal to 0. So this is comparable to general equation of linear equations in two variables, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here constant c is equal to 0. And also we can see that degree of this equation is 1. So this one is a linear equation. For part 3, let distance be d, speed be s, time be t, and we know that distance is the product of speed and time. This can be written as s is equal to d by t. Let's try to express this in the general form of linear equation in two variables, which is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this will become s minus d by t equal to 0. In this equation, the variables are s and t, and we can see that power of t here is not 1. Therefore, this is not a linear equation. So we have plotted the graphs here. This is the graph between area of circle and radius. So we can see that this is a curved line, so it is not linear. This is the graph between perimeter of a square and length of the side. This is a straight line. It is linear. And this is a graph between speed and time for a fixed distance. This also we can see is a curved line, so it is not linear. So in this problem, we have learned that degree of linear equation is always 1. The graph of linear equation is always a straight line.